Alright, hey there folks, just a real quick little video for you. We're going to try something. I do not know if this is going to work or not, but we're going to try it anyway, so here we go. I have a whole bunch of these, let me see if I can get that in focus, 168 grain Sierra Match King bullets that they've been laying around out in my barn here in East Texas for over 4 years. I purchased them when I used to live in New Mexico, and I haven't lived there in over 16 years, and it wasn't the last thing I purchased when I was there. So to give you an idea of how old these are, anyway, they're a little bit grimy and have some tarnish on them, and I'm going to try cleaning them up and see what happens. So, we'll do a little bit of a before and after here. I'm going to put them in this ultrasonic cleaner. What do you think?
It's interesting.
Yeah, we're gonna find out if it works.
What is it? It's
here,
bullets.
We're just gonna get crazy with this and just dump them in there. As many as I think will fit.
I think that's about full. Yeah, me too.
Well, let's see. There's still some airspace in there. Yeah, it's probably about full. Did you bring my bottle of water?
Yeah.
Somebody want to get it for me? Oh, I got my water helper. Yep, there she is. Hi, hi, hi. Open the cap there. Oh, this is a coordinated effort. What, do you got a frog in your pocket? Okay, pour it on there till I say when. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. I say when, not you say when. All right, that's good. That's good. All right, now, Mopey, can you hand me that jug over there? All right, yeah, thanks. Yep, All right, give me a second. I got to open this up. All right, so we've got the Hornady one-shot case solution here. If you read the instructions here on the back, it says 40-to-1 ratio. We've got about 10 or 12 ounces of water there, so we're going to say that that's 40-to-1 and go from there. So without further ado, let's flip the little ears on this end. Let's close it. Turn it on. And we'll come back and check it in a bit.
One eternity later.
Alright, so it's been right at a couple of hours, and I've had to come out here and restart this thing a few times because it only runs for a couple of minutes at a time. There are some floaters on top, but the copper looks a lot cleaner than it was before. Let's get those out of there. I'm going to have to sit this down to do so. I tell you what, it's amazing how much better those look after doing that. They're, just for comparison, there's the ones that were in the container before, and remember the ones on top were worse looking than the ones that were still in the container that had been covered up by the top layer. So I'm real happy with that. That's going to make shooting those a lot more pleasurable, I think. Hopefully maybe it'll help out in the accuracy department too. While it's not completely necessary, I think clean components makes for happy reloading, and I'd like to know what you think about it, so drop a comment down in the bottom. And if you've made it to the end with me, I want to thank you for watching. Take care, and God bless.